What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. Here we have an Under Armour pair of sneakers. It says blood, sweat, and respect. We got a pair of UA Rock 1s. And if you don't know who I'm talking about Dwayne The Rock Johnson, that jacked dude that's in all the movies these days. UA Project Rock 1. Now, I have a feeling that these are gonna end up like some Kanye West Yeezy 1s or Air Jordan 1s one day. So I got myself a few pairs as an investment. And I'll be perfectly honest with you, I'm probably wrong because these are ugly. I'm kidding, they're not ugly. They're reasonable looking shoes, but I just don't think that this is an everlasting design. I would definitely wear them and they do look nice on foot. But it's so hard for me to call this an investment shoe, you know? But if you think it's an investment shoe, definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link and get yourself a pair of these for yourself as an investment or just for personal use. They are quite comfortable. It's a good shoe, it looks nice. And I'm pretty sure the Rock is not getting canceled anytime soon, so you can rock them without getting shouted at, I guess. Let's throw them on foot here. And I'll show you how they look. Gotta mention they come with a pair of black and yellow laces, like that's pretty fire. Thanks. Shout out to the Rock. I feel like I'm getting to a point in the video where the Rock should just walk in and like surprise me or something, but what can I do, man? I gotta share with you one more thing. It says blood, respect, blood, sweat, and respect inside the sole. That's pretty fire if you ask me. Now this is a small size for me, so I might struggle to get my foot in here. Oh, there's more stuffing inside, excuse me. Look at that. They give you a nice little toe box stuffing. I've immediately regretted not, actually, you know what? This is not a bad shoe. It's not ugly, it's relatively comfortable. I'd like to size up a little bit. The other thing I should mention, it's pretty cool that they stuffed this with little toe box paper. But you get a nice little card. You can read that on your own time, just pause the video. It's 4K, so you won't have trouble. I'm not gonna read it, I'm sorry, I can't do it. Surprise, surprise, you get a nice logo sticker. Pretty nice. Got the sneakers on, they look good. They look good. I regret not keeping my size. You might be able to find them on sale at an Under Armour store near you. This is the black and white colorway. If you can't find it, definitely check out the StockX link in the description. I got some interesting denim on right now, so maybe if I throw in a fold right there, it'll look a little better. It's a brand new pair of jeans, so it's gotta develop some more character. What more can I say? It's a pair of Dwayne The Rock Johnson Under Armour shoes. Everyone's a fan of him apparently, so get yourself a pair. I think the 3s just came out. Maybe check those out too. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.